Hello, my dear friends! People are not robots, not aliens, not supernatural beings. We are a kind of animal. Nature created us and gave us food. People, engineers, created a robot, and engineers wrote instruction manual for the robot. What brand of oil should be lubricated with? Maximum load, temperature and humidity range in which it can be operated, and so on. And nature, as the creator, gave us instruction and gave us proper food. Nature did not give us soup, bread, stewed ribs, preserved jam, or cakes. Man is trying to improve natural food, but this is like trying to improve the oil that needs to be used to lubricate a robot. This can only harm him. Nature has given us everything we need. First of all, juicy, tasty, sweet fruits. There is no need to improve them. They are delicious on their own. So, my breakfast today was grapes, about 700 grams. Dinner was mix of 1 raw egg, 4 yolks, spoon of honey. Supper was 8 tangerines.